For the public transport planner and service designers, it's very important to analyze the geometry of the network as well, to see the accessibility and catchment area of the lines and see how many people potentially might use the lines and the network. To do this analysis, I show you in the lines a demo version of the Valladolid city. I have put also some social economic data, as you see, like the population of the students, seniors, total population, education, and the schools. And I want to see how many of the people and the schools I can catch within the line in the software. For that, I click on the map on the line and I choose a line like U8 in this case. And you can see that the buffer around the stops of this line has been highlighted. Also here you see that how many people can catch within this line. So let's change the network a little bit and see how the catchment area analysis will be affected by changing the line. For example, I want to see also the schools. Sorry. Okay, better. Of Valladolid. So this, I turn it on so I can see the schools here. And then I try to change my network a little bit so that might catch more schools in this area. So this is a university here. I just need to change it a little bit so I can also go through this turnaround. And then you see that also the catchment area analysis has been updated. All the data has been changed, and I can see the changes on the network directly in the potential customers of my PT network.